All right, so you're gonna have this screen pop up, and really from here, you'll see I got my profile up in the right corner. Really shouldn't have to do a whole lot up there. Just hit on the let's go. Might take a little while to update. And while that's doing that, I just want to show you a couple little things here. So I've got this thing. It's a Logitech portable keyboard. It's like 20 bucks. It's got the mouse right on it. This is great because you can hold on to everything right in your hands while you're working or trying to ride. And I don't have my laptop very close to me at all because I don't want to get sweat all over it and ruin a $500 laptop versus sweating on this thing and losing a $20 keyboard. So it's going to take a while to get ready to go. We'll start another video. Here we go. So it's going to log in. You just have to put your credentials in there. You should be all good to go. Sometimes it takes a while to get this crap going. So now, here's the big key here. Having that USB Ant Plus dongle that I showed you a little bit ago is key to having both of those sensors showing up there. Now, it already took and saw that everything I had was there, so I'm going to go ahead and exit out of here. Well, we'll go to ride just to do this so we can show you one more time connecting here. So I'm riding already in Watopia. You see up in the upper left here, showing my watts, the RPM, and my heart rate beats per minute. So what I'm going to do just to be able to show you back in there is I'm going to click on it, go down to the lower left to menu, and I'm going to hit end ride here. I'll hit OK. And in this one I don't care, so I'm just going to delete it. But if I did a ride there, I want to save it, and we should be connected to your Strava or something. Okay, now I got to go through this crap again just so you can see what's going on. I'll get to that point and then start another video. All right. Crap, now it's taking its time again. All right, so you see here, it's not seeing anything right now, so I could actually search here. Let's search down for controllable. Just hit the search. It's finding it automatically. Otherwise, you just connect, okay, for what you need. And I could unpair this and repair it, but I'm not going to do that. So just go through and find that, and you should be okay. This is the hardest part right here. A couple other real quick things to worry about is, number one, make sure that your heart rate monitor has batteries that are fresh in there, because as the batteries get bad, they're not going to be able to connect to your Bluetooth stuff. So I'm in the game, I'm pedaling away, all right? And I'm going downhill, so I need to change my gears a little bit. All right, so one of the things you can do while you're in the game is, if you just click anywhere on the screen with your keyboard, that'll bring up your menu. And this you can only do from the game, okay? And so you can go over here and deal with the pairing that we already did. You can go to your garage here, and you can set what you're going to look like, what jersey you're going to wear, all your helmet, socks, the whole thing. Really just stuff to look cooler, I guess, is all. And so you can do that. And then the next thing that you can do is go over to settings here, and you can change things here. Like, for example, if you don't want the game, that little music that they do, doing stuff, you can change that up, all right? So I just adjusted mine down this morning to lower than 50%. Don't run that thing up to max, you'll be changing your gears too much. Otherwise, I just go with what is standard on here. Okay, I'm still in the game. If you want to do those cheesy workouts, you can do those here, and you'll still be in the game, but just some workouts while you're going around. I've never tried any of these, so, all right, let me go back into the game here, and there you go, that's what you got. There's other stuff, and I can pop you into that later, but if you selected something from your app, and that's something to try out, is while you're in the game, you connect to the Zwift app. Now here's one big huge key. I'm going to stomp my feet real quick so you understand this. Is you need to have your phone, which you're going to have your app on the same network as your laptop computer or your computer. So you got your Wi-Fi connected. Your phone's got to be on that same Wi-Fi network. So make sure you got Wi-Fi connected. There's a lot of times I don't use the Wi-Fi here at the house on my phone. So, and then you'll have the app there that you can kind of see where you're at and the little map up in the right corner and the whole deal. So hopefully this gets you going. Call me if you got any questions. See ya.